Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Spark 10 Pro and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, open the settings, then go to users and accounts and click on add account. Pick Google. Now wait a bit. And now provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address, and then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Here mark if this device is yours or if you are configuring it for your kid, and then click on next. Tap on I agree. Now tap on more and accept Google services. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. To remove it, just mark it and then select remove account, click on remove account to confirm. So that would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.